is one of the active ways that I love myself. Assalamu alaikum and a warm good morning to all of you. I am from Global Spoken English and I would like to extend my deepest gratitude to Global Spoken English for providing us with a wonderful platform to enlighten our brains and develop our personalities. We talk about everything, but in talking about everything, we have forgot to talk about ourselves. So just I am ready to talk about the importance of self-care. While you are supporting or helping someone who may be in crisis, it is especially important for you also to take care of yourself. Practicing self-care does not mean that you are choosing yourself over your loved ones, but it means you are simply being mindful about your own needs, so you are better able to support the person you care about. When you take care of yourself and are not stressed, better able to meet the needs of others. Each method of self-care fits into one of the 7 pillars: mental, emotional, physical, environmental, spiritual, recreational, and social. By improving your physical health, you will be better able to maintain your mental health and therefore may be more effective in supporting someone you care about. Exercising regularly is an important part of both physically and mentally healthy. Eating healthy foods will give your body fuel to exercise. Getting enough sleep is also very important in maintaining your physical and mental health. Practicing relaxation exercise such as deep breathing, meditation can reduce your stress and clear your mind. Do anything that makes you feel better is worth a little bit of time out of your day. I wrap up my speech with a message that it's been a great experience to share my views with you all wonderful people. Thank you so much and